This is Phil from Rvinyl, and today I'm going to show you how to smoke your lights using an Rtint bubble-free wrap. Before you begin, make sure that your light has been properly cleaned. We recommend using Rapid Prep or any other suitable cleaning solution that you know isn't going to damage your light or the adhesive back tint. Compare the wrap to the light. Trim some, but not all of the excess tint, as this will make it easier to install the wrap. Align the film to one edge of your light and gently tack it into position. Look at the light and decide which part is going to be the easiest to work with first. End your installation by starting with the easiest part of your light. Apply the tint slowly and carefully. Avoid large sweeping motions that may wrinkle the film. If you do get a wrinkle, simply lift the film, apply a little heat, and the wrinkle should come out. The film can now be trimmed with a razor or craft knife. Carefully and slowly remove the trim film, apply the finishing touches, and get ready to ride. If you like what you just saw, give us a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great install and DIY videos.